Hello, my name is Bernadette and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As a part of our Summer Discovery program, we have created a Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. Today, I will be showing you how to use our Origami Bookmark Kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link to our online Summer Discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. Origami is the art of folding paper in precise steps to create objects. You will learn a basic origami fold for this origami bookmark, and the rest is up to your imagination. Many studies say origami originated in Japan. There is also evidence that it may have origins in China. In the 1950s, a woman named Lillian Oppenheimer was responsible for making the word origami popular in the United States. She used television and published books about origami. She founded the Origami Center of America in 1958. Use these supplies and your imagination to create your own unique origami bookmark. The materials needed for this activity are origami paper, other paper to use to decorate your bookmark, scissors to cut your paper, crayons, you can just color your bookmark or decorate it as you wish, and a glue stick.
If you don't have origami paper, you can make your own. Take any piece of paper and fold it like this and cut off this part to create a square. Now I will show you how to make an origami bookmark. First, fold the paper into a triangle. Fold in the corners to make a square. Create a crease by folding over the flaps. Tuck in the flaps. Now you are ready to decorate.
Here are some examples to inspire you. Maybe you have a favorite animal or a superhero or favorite stickers you want to use. Maybe you make one as a gift for someone.
Here's how it works.
If you want to do more origami, go to your library and ask for origami books, or you can look at ebooks and digital resources on lacountylibrary.org. Here are a few suggestions: origami and other paper creations, origami games, and super cute origami. Learn about Japanese and Chinese history on Britannica School in our digital database section on our website. We hope you enjoyed this Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at a location near you or online at lacountylibrary.org/summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.